Hey everyone, Adam Savage here, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of slurry casting. You might be wondering, what is slurry casting? Well, imagine pouring pancake batter onto a hot griddle. The batter spreads out, takes the shape of the pan, and solidifies into a delicious pancake. Slurry casting is similar, but instead of batter, we use a special mixture called a slurry to create all sorts of shapes and objects. Slurry casting is like making a mold of something, but instead of using a rigid material like plaster, we use a liquid slurry that hardens over time. This slurry is carefully poured into a mold, and as it dries, it takes on the exact shape of the mold. It's a versatile process used to make everything from ceramic tiles and bathroom fixtures to intricate sculptures and even parts for airplanes. Think of all the things you use every day that might have been made using slurry casting. Your coffee mug, the sink in your bathroom, maybe even some parts of your car. These could all be products of this amazing process. It's a testament to the ingenuity of engineering and the power of transforming simple materials into complex and useful objects. Now, let's talk about the ingredients that go into making a slurry. The most common type of slurry is made by mixing a fine powder like clay, cement, or even metal powder with a liquid. This liquid could be water, but it can also be something more specialized depending on what we're trying to make. Think of it like mixing flour and water to make pancake batter. The type of flour and the amount of water you use will affect the texture and consistency of your pancakes. Section 4. Advantages and disadvantages, a balanced view. Section 5. Real-world applications, slurry casting in action.